this video we are going to see what are the 3 daily exercises as a new copywriter which you have to do every single day. So we are going to talk about these particular exercises only because it is very important for you to be a very great copywriter. So there are so many people who talk about we have to follow the process, we have to follow the process of becoming a good copywriter. So what are those process are something which you have to follow every single day. So these are the 2 or 3 things which I will do every single day in order to become a very great copywriter. So what are the 3 daily exercises for being a good copywriter? First, you have to write 3 emails every single day. You have to take pledge like me that whatever your situation of the day is, that whether you are in the job, whether you are in the function, whether you have to go with the friends for the outing also, but still also every single day you will write 3 emails, which is very important for becoming a very great copywriter. You don't have to practice 10 hours copywriting in one day and then 5 days of leave and then on the 7th day again you are practicing. No, you have to practice daily because if you want that people to spend the money on your skill, so you have to make sure that you are very honest with your business, with your skill also. So that's why you have to write 3 emails every single day. Second exercise which you have to do every single day is to write 1 landing pages. There are so many people, they are using the landing pages instead of website. So if you want to be great at copywriting, you have to have the practice of writing the landing pages every single day. So how can you do that? You can go to the Instagram, you can go to the Facebook, you can go to the Instagram or maybe YouTube, and there are plenty of platforms where you can click and you can straight away visit to a landing page and just try to copy that landing page, just try to write it down. You have a course going on in the background of yours, maybe you bought it from Udemy, or maybe you bought it from the video influencer, but at the same point of time you are practicing about the landing pages, and when you practice that great copywriter written that in such a compelling way where you actually doing that. So once you are doing that, you are able to grab more thing as compared to reading about the copywriting. So that's why you have to write every single day 1 landing pages in order to become a very great copywriter. Third exercise for being a good copywriter as a beginner is you have to write your own copy. So maybe what I exactly do, I will share with you that my mind is totally make up for the digital marketing agency only. I feel that my target client is digital marketing agency. So whenever I write something, I write related to the digital marketing agency only. 5 reasons why digital marketers fail. 3 reasons why digital market don't have any client. 2 reasons how you can increase your business in the 2021 as a digital marketer. So that's how I give the headline and then I write the copy. I write the stuff. That's how you can do that. Every single day you have to write your own copy. You can create your product in the mind and you can write that particular copy in order to sell that particular product and services as a good copywriter. So first, 3 emails in a day. Second, 1 landing pages in a day. Third, 1 copy. I hope this video actually adds the value in your life. If you like this video, make sure you like it from below also, and you can share with your other friend also, so that they can see this video and they can get the value of it. Make sure to comment down below also what one thing which you like about this particular video. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care.